Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm so excited about today's video. So I'm scrolling through Instagram and I see the most beautiful palette I have seen in such a long time. And it was the palette artwork that actually got me. And I have to say, I have not been this excited about a palette in a minute. So I hop over, check it out, and it is by a brand called Magick Mondays. It is by Danaee Blacc. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. I could be wrong. It's a Black-owned brand. The owner is absolutely stunning. I checked out their Facebook page and this is her. Gorgeous. And it seems like a relatively new brand. They have lashes, but I don't see any other palettes. This looks like their first palette. So this is what I saw. It's this gorgeous hollow, like silver hollow, if you can. It's so pretty. And this is the Oracle palette, volume 1. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, but this retails for $52. They do have Afterpay. It has 28 shades. It's paraben and cruelty free. The shipping was hella fast. It shipped the day after I ordered it. And if you sign up for email, you'll get a code. Sometimes it's for a percentage off. Sometimes it's for free shipping. I got free 2-day shipping. And this is a beefy palette. It feels like a luxury palette. So this is the outer carton. Has the name Magick Mondays by Danaee Blacc, the Oracle, volume 1. And on the back it says stars can't shine without darkness. So when you take it out, same thing on both sides. And like I said, it feels like a quality palette. It's got these adorable little book corners. They're metal on all 4 corners. It's weighty. The pan sizes are very generous. So let's look at the inside. And I have been playing with this all week. And you can tell I've been playing with it, but this is it. The colors are so saturated. They're very pigmented. It reminds me of the Genesis palette, Midas X Drench. Reminds me a lot of this formula and the Menagerie formula. And I love both of those palettes. So on this side, it's got a little mirror. Actually, quite a big mirror. But yeah, I love this. It's got all these gorgeous bright tones on this side. And then this side, you've got the more grungier tones. There aren't a ton of transition shades in this one, but that's fine. I've got plenty of transition shades, and I really feel like if you have deeper skin, this is going to be amazing for you. The shimmers are smooth and beautiful. The mattes are creamy and pigmented. It does have 2 glitters in it, and I like that they didn't go crazy with the glitter because some people don't like that, but it's these 2 here. And another cool thing about this palette is that all the shade names are named after people in the Black community. So we have shades like Shakur, Mandela, Beyonce, I'm guessing for Beyonce, Maya, Angela, Zulu, Barack, Michelle, Eartha, Ali, Harriet, Mary, Shirley, Jackson, Dubois. So I think that's a really cool tribute. So like I said, I played with this all week. I did a few looks. I will post some pictures here before I go into the demonstration. I did a look on each eye. So I'm going to run through some footage of me applying the 2 looks, and then we'll come back and I will give you my final thoughts.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you wanted, I adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder, harder. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder, harder.
So you guys, I'm in love with this palette. I think this might be one of my favorite purchases of the year. I've had so much fun with this. I'm so glad I took a chance on it, just buying something based on the aesthetic of it. That's probably not a smart thing to do most of the time, but in this instance, it really paid off. It actually exceeded my expectations. So I highly suggest checking out Magick Mondays by Danaee Blacc. This is volume 1. I saw on their website that it said coming soon, and there's a new one, and I'm super excited to see what they do next. So you guys, check out this awesome Black-owned brand. Always looking to support independent makeup brands, BIPOC creators, and business owners. I will link all her socials in the description box. Tell them I sent you if you do. And I'm thinking this could be a good idea for future videos. I think I'm going to start looking into some more unknown brands and maybe spotlighting them. If that's something you guys might be interested in, just let me know. Let me know what you think about this in the comments, if it's something you might like to check out. I love this just for my, I may have to just stick this baby back here with some of my other ones. I had my Lethal is Dead palette back there, but I was having trouble with my camera wanting to focus on that instead of my face. But yeah, I'm super excited to see what comes next from this brand, and it's been a long time since I've been really hyped for a brand. So make sure to like this video, please, and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, it's engagement. Let's have a little chat in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and share, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!